Good evening, this is Anmol Anand and my registration number is UR14CS314 and this is my 8th lab experiment of compiler lab, and it is about the simulation of a loader. So our aim is to simulate the concept of absolute loader, and this is a description and algorithm given for it, and this is a um, sample input text which is been stored in a file input.txt, and output will be something like this. So now we can go for the coding behind it. So as you can see, I've done the coding in Java and in NetBeans. So here I've made one package name compiler and import some library files java.io. Then I made the class absolute and I've given the string and all the as program name, object name, ASCII, PDR, then long, int, and void. All the values in been initialized, and I've used a try uh, for the exceptions and all that thing. So here a buffer reader, I use the buffer reader for taking the input. With all the things has been uh, stored in a buffer reader only, and input will be stored in a buffer reader. And so here it will showing the enter the program name. So all the program name be storing in the br.read next line. Then from the that file.f, because a new file here from this the file which have been stored in this directory is been that same file which we have given as a sample text input, and it will go and it will check the file that all the things has been given as an input. Then it will show the long size equals to alpha dot length. Then if the d size is smaller than the size, then this function will be going to happen. And if uh, while d size is smaller than uh, as you can see, so d size is smaller than the size, so this thing gonna be happen. And if object is also substring 2 to 8, then the system dot outprint object program name from the file object name, then get a file pointer if program name is equals to object name, while d is smaller than the size, f r read line if s dot current at t. So this is all for the current address, for the taking the current address of the file, and it will show all the things which is given in the file, and then and if that thing in the file is not been correct, it is not correct, then it will show that do enter the correct object program. And last, this is all in the try format. Now it is now for catching uh, for the catching the exception, public class compiler, public static void main absolute aa is equals to new absolute and aa dot display. So this is all for the program part. Now we can compile this program. So as you can see, the program is been compiling, and it is asking for the input. So now we can now we can give the input. So sample, it is showing, see, it is showing that the object program name from the file sample is, so all the object program is been name from the file is shown here. So this is all for this experiment. Thank you for watching.